Hi guys, welcome to my channel Azure with Pratik. So today we are going to learn how to use the tumbling trigger window in Azure Data Factory. Okay, so I'm going to brief the introduction about tumbling window. So what is a tumbling window trigger? So tumbling window trigger is a help to execute ADF pipelines over cyclic intervals. So it is a series of fixed size, non-overlapping, and continuous time intervals. So tumbling window trigger is a one-to-one relationship in a pipeline. If you create a one tumbling window, so you can assign only a one pipeline. So you can't assign too many pipelines. So this will work on a one-to-one many relationship base. Okay. So it is a more reliable, yes. So it is more trustworthy than the schedule trigger because if schedule trigger fails, it will not retrieve. But in a tumbling window, so we can retrieve uh, the word trigger, okay, and retrieve the data. So the tumbling window trigger is only on the it runs only the minutes and hour basis. So we can keep a track of it. Okay. So now I'm going to ADF portal. Okay. So here are we have the copy activity already created. Okay, so we are going to create a tumbling window trigger. So I'm going to click add trigger new date. So here from we have to choose the new one. Okay. So there is a I'm giving the name tumbling trigger. Okay, so we have to choose and type the tumbling window. Then the date is appeared. Here you can set the start date of when is your factory going to run. Okay. After that there is a recurrence options. So at how many times the factory will run. So so you can see here there is a minute basis, hour basis, and month basis. Okay. So there is no weekly basis. In a schedule trigger we find a weekly basis also. Okay. So I'm going to give here to on every 1 hour. Okay, our pipeline will be run. Okay, so you can set the start date from 27 to you can specify the end date also. Okay, so I'm selecting 28th of July 9 a.m. Okay, so likewise in every hour 24 hour it will generate the Azure Data Factory like it will run on the 24 hours like 24 times. Okay. So in tumbling window trigger, there is one feature that you can't get on the schedule trigger. Like for tumbling window, if you select uh, from the 20th July, okay, you have to select the start date. Huh? Okay, so I'm selecting 20th July to 30th July. Okay, that means so we can run this pipeline on the historical date, like the previous date. But in a scheduled trigger, we can't use as a past data. We can't run the pipeline from past and future timelines. Okay, so this is the main feature of tumbling window. So in that particular time, so our tumbling window will be run on maybe on 10 days 10 into 24. Maybe it will run on the 240 times. Okay, in the tumbling window. So there is a one below is the advanced option is there, so we have to click it. Okay, so in advanced option we got the facility like what kind of delay is there. Okay, so if you set 1 minute of delay. Okay, so I'll give an example like wait. So now what is the time? So time is from 9 a.m. 7:20. Okay, so there will be a 9 to 10. This will be a one window, first window. Then likewise 10 to 11. This is another window. Likewise, it will go around 30th July. July. Okay. From 8 to 9. Okay. So if we specify the delay, so here we can, so I'll give a delay time is 1 minute. So it will take a time, and it will affect on the first window will be closed on the 10 minutes, 10.1 minute. Okay. If we give the delay on, so it will be on 10.1. Likewise, likewise all window will be delayed. Okay. So after that, max concurrency. So maximum concurrency is nothing but if we, we are in above we defined the 240 windows. In that time, if you want to aggregate all the windows, we don't have to run the single every basis every hour window, so we can use the max concurrency. So if we give the 50 max concurrency, so it will in first window it will take from 50 hours, and it will run the 50 windows in a particular time. So there is a retry policy count, there is a return policy count, return in seconds. Okay. So this is the tumbling window I have explained to you. So I'm not going to create now. So I'll give the brief information about tumbling window, how it is going to run. So I'm going to discard, going to close. So thank you guys. If you like the video, please watch, subscribe, share. Thanks.